Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to be working on a custom collection page for our Shopify store. We will be adding pagination and sorting options to make the browsing easier for the customer. So let's get started. Let's open your code editor and look for this collection.json file. Here we are calling template collection section. So let's go to this template collection section and create some schema settings first. So start by using schema, give this a name of, let's say, collection template or collection page. Then we can start adding settings. So our first setting would be type number. Let's give this an ID, number of products per page. Let's add a label here that says number of products per page and give this a default value of 8. Let's add another setting here. Give this a type of checkbox and give this an ID of enable sorting. Give this a label here of enable sorting and add the default value to be, let's say, false. So let's save this. The next thing that we are going to do is to add a page title here. For that, let's open our template products and copy this code and paste that here. Instead of this product.title, we can add collection.title because we are on the collection page and collection object is available to us. And instead of this h4 tag, let's add an anchor tag here. And instead of this collection title, let's add home here, and we can redirect this to our home page. Okay, let's do that. And now let's add instead of this header bg color, add bg black, and here instead of this header font color, we can add text white. Now let's save this and check on the front end. What output do we have? You can see we have the product and home page here. Now we are at collection all pages, so that's why it's showing products. Otherwise it will display the collection title if we are on a particular collection. We will check that later. So now we can use our paginate object to create pagination. Let's add paginate. Instead of this 12, we can add our section setting here. Let's add section.settings and copy this ID and paste that here so that we can make it dynamic. Now we have a loop here. We can do that, but before let's add a structure here. Create a div. Let's give this div some classes. Let's add maxw7xl and add mx auto, and we can also add some padding here. Let's say p2, and inside this div we can create grid. So let's add those classes. Let's say grid calls to, and md we can add grid calls for, and we can add cap here. Let's say cap 4. We can also give this div an ID of, let's say, product grid. Okay, now we can use this for loop. Let's cut that from here and paste inside this div, and here we can use our product card snippet that we generated earlier. If you go to the featured collection section, you can see we are rendering product card here. We can copy this and paste that here. Now we can save and check on the front end how it looks. Open that and refresh that here. You can see we have a product grid here with 8 products. Now let's add some padding here. Let's say py10 so that we can have some spaces here. So it looks good. Let's go to the backend and try changing number of products per page. Okay, let's go to our dashboard. Let's click on this customize button, and here from the top you can select collection. So we have a default template for the collection. Click on this, and if you click on this collection, you will see we have a number of product page option here. Let's add 12 here. Save this. So let's check on the front end. Let's refresh this. You will see we have 12 products here. Now let's add pagination here. To add pagination, you will see in the snippet folder we will will have paginate.liquid file. You can open this file and see we have a pagination code here. So let's use render, and we are going to render our pagination snippet. So let's do that, and we can pass this pagination to paginate. So we can pass this thing here. Okay, let's save that and check if it is working. Let's refresh that. You can see we have next page here. Okay, then we have previous page here. So let's change the collection number of products per page to 4 and see what options do we have. And let's save this and refresh here. You'll see we are here, page 1 here. Let's click on this next. We are on the page 2. Click next, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pages we have. So with this, we have successfully created the collection page with pagination. In the next video, we will work on the sorting option. This is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify theme development tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.